Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here today because I'm going to reveal how I managed to get unlimited coins and money in the recently released Car Parking 2. Yes, you heard that right. There's already a way to gain unlimited resources in this game, and in this video, I'll show you how it's possible. Let me start by showing you my in-game balance. As you can see, I have an absolutely massive amount of coins and money. This allows me to buy anything I want in the game. You might be wondering how I pulled this off. Well, the good news is that the method is incredibly easy to follow. I'm going to guide you through each step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your own endless supply of coins and money. So, if you're ready to take your Car Parking 2 experience to the next level with unlimited resources, let's jump right into it and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Car Parking 2 and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.